Hello everyone, welcome back to Beauty Meets DIY. Thank you so much for watching. So today I bring to you another wall sconce, and so what you're going to need from the Dollar Tree is this 2-pack of these styrofoam discs, and you're going to need these picture easels, and these are the larger ones. They have smaller ones, you're going to need the larger ones. So basically what I'm going to do is that I'm going to glue both of these together. I suggest that you use your E6000, your strong Gorilla Glue, or your Fix-All from the Dollar Tree. Throughout this video I will be using just a hot glue, but that's what I suggest you do. I'm going to be spray painting this in silver. This is not my favorite. I do like the Rust-Oleum, but that's all I had. So what you want to do is take the ends of the easels and glue them together right there. And again, very important for this part, you want to use your strongest glue. I think it held on pretty well with the hot glue, but I don't trust it. If this is something permanent long term, then of course again you want to use your strong glue. So when you glue this, you want to make sure that it's all, leveled out, even, that they're all aligned together. And that's what it's looking like so far. And so now we're going to use our pony beads again. I've used this many times in several videos. I use this to so that my acrylic diamond gem can sit upright on any flat surface that we put it on. And you can find this at the craft store at Walmart or at any beauty supply. And at the beauty supply they come in different colors. At Walmart it's not in the hair section, again it's in the craft section. And when you glue it on, you want to make sure that it's nice and leveled. So these are very easy. They're just going to pop in there. You're going to carefully pop them in, just like that. And I'm going to go down the row until I get to the easel hinges. Altogether with both easels, you should have a total of 4 hinges. And I glue them in a way that it kind of has like they're overlapping each other. If you notice carefully there, they are like scalloped in a way. That's just kind of how they fell. I'm just showing you that I'm shaking it without glue and they're not falling out, but they do shift around. So I suggest that you go in back of the easel and apply some more glue just to keep them in place. Here I'm just showing you that I'm going to use an acrylic gem without the pony beads, and I'm going to glue it right over the hinges. Obviously we're not going to need a pony bead because the hinge is in the way. So for that part only, you're going to use the acrylic gem alone. And you're going to do this for all 4 hinges. Guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, please stop what you're doing, give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. It just helps YouTube to notice me a little more. And it keeps me motivated to keep going, lets me know that you guys want more videos like this. So please give me a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. Share this video with friends and family. Comment down below so we can get the interaction going. And yeah. So that little part right there, we're going to leave it alone because that's where we're going to screw our nail to hang this up. I will go into that more later on in the video. Now we're going to turn it around and we're going to do the same thing for the rest of our hinges. Now this easel, you can spray paint them any color that you want according to your decor. I decided to leave it clear because it just kind of reminds me of like an acrylic piece that we see so much, but you can definitely, I know that Dollar Tree carries these easels in black as well. That would look very elegant against the diamonds, so that would be really pretty too. So this is totally customizable to your liking. So now I'm just decided to go ahead with the regular rhinestone wrap, but you can definitely use they come in different colors. Again, you can customize this how you want, and I'm just giving you some ideas. So I went all around the easel and I cut strips, and that's just the way that I applied it, the way I'm showing you here. So now that our styrofoam discs are dry, I went ahead and applied the rhinestone wrap, and I'm going to cut off the excess, and then obviously on the other side we're going to go ahead and apply our mirror. We're going to use our strongest glue, our E6000 or other, to apply our mirror so it doesn't go anywhere. So now I'm using the other type of rhinestone wrap that I showed you, and I'm just cutting off some of the little squares just to accent the piece a little more, give it a little extra something. You can decorate this however which way you want. I'm just giving you inspiration, guys, and ideas, and that's pretty much it. Now this part is very important. This is where our piece is going to sit. So this is where you want to go a little crazy with the E6000, your strongest glue. Again, for the video, I'm applying hot glue, but I do not recommend it. This is temporary, because like I always tell you guys, unfortunately I can't keep everything that I create. I just don't have the room for it. But if you would let me know if so far you're liking this video, if you're even thinking right now as we're going along if you're going to recreate this, and if you do, you want to apply that extra glue, E6000, right down there with your hot glue, just that we know and we're sure that this is not going to go anywhere once you hang it on the wall in the middle of the night when you're sleeping and you hear a noise and you think somebody's breaking the apartment, God forbid. It's not that, it's your sconce. So these acrylic gems I got from Hobby Lobby last year. You can use anything you want. You can find them at any craft store pretty much. I love Hobby Lobby, and I'm just gluing them on, but you can definitely drill a little hole there and loop it through somehow, but I just decided to hot glue it. So here we have our little push light. This so happens to be silver, so I didn't have to spray paint it, so I was happy about that. One little tip for you guys: when you do embellish this and you glue on your rhinestone wrap, just showing you here that you don't want to glue it onto the little cover there, because you want to go ahead and be able to change your batteries. So very important, you want to glue it right below that line, our little cover there. Very important, you guys. Use your your strongest glue, because that was a hot mess behind the video here. I tried the hot glue, I didn't show it. Maybe I should start showing you my hot messes, because this it just fell right off after a while because I used the hot glue. So use your strong glue. So you want to use a very long nail, because you want this to be able to go into the wall, and then you want it to be able to, on the other side, to stick out some, so the sconce can actually sit on the nail. So you want a fairly long nail. So you want to put it through, okay? And later I'm going to show you more in detail how this nail is sitting, or how the sconce is sitting on the nail. So basically the sconce is sitting on we're using the easel hinge, and then we're going to cover it with a acrylic gem. I'm sorry. So this is where I'm showing you here. Okay, so I screwed it in the wall, the nail, but I left some sticking out. You see, that's the hinge right there, and now that's what we're going to use to lean it on the nail, if that makes sense. I'm just trying to show you here a close-up of what that's looking like. And so later on with your hot glue, you're going to cover it with a gem. But see how it swivels around? Why is that? Because I should have done the same thing in the bottom, and that's what I recommend for you guys. Right below that bottom hinge, you want to do the same thing with the nail, and then this way it won't go anywhere and it will sit in place just right. So go ahead and do that, and that's just my little tip. But this is what it's looking like so far, or actually this is how it turned out, and I think it turned out beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I just literally came up with this the night before. I was just doing a little brainstorming. I was like, what can I do? What can I do? And there's so many uses to these easels. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube of people recreating things with these easels, and they're just goes to show that they're just not for pictures, right? So here is a beautiful wall sconce. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you recreated, where would you put it? And again, give me a thumbs up just to let me know how much you enjoyed this video and this DIY. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you very soon on the next one. Bye, everyone.